everyone and welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. So first of all, we have almost completed all the major branch review, branch college wise cutoffs. So only civil engineering was left. So we decided why not do that as well. So civil engineering is the major branch wise cutoff list that we are going to show you. Top 30 colleges of civil engineering. Now I always tell you that based on your rank, if you are first of all, if you are choosing civil engineering, very good. We do need civil engineers. Civil engineers are so the constant supply of civil engineers are always required. It may not be as high as computer science, but this is a very important branch for ourselves, right? For example, the roads are being built, the bridges are being built, the houses are being built, and everywhere we need civil engineers. So without civil engineers, our society would have been stopped. So civil engineers are an important part of our day-to-day life, right? So that is very important part. But even though they are not as vastly required as computer engineers, but they do require they are required for various purposes, and there is a job market for that. It is, as I mentioned, is not huge, but there is a fixed limited number of requirements are there. So if you are choosing civil engineers, just remember one thing: you will be getting a job. One important disclaimer, though, I have when I was a student and what I have discussed with my students, I realized that this branch is not very suitable for girls. Okay. So even though some girls do take civil engineering, but during the campusing, if the core companies are coming, they generally prefer male candidates over female candidates. So you cannot say that this is gender bias because of the job requirement, etc. The profile requires some risk-taking abilities. So that's why they do not prefer female employees. But I'm not sure if that thing changed over time or not, because the situation I'm telling you, obviously around 10-15 years old. So that was the case back then, when civil engineers, if they are studying civil engineers, the student used to say, I have to find a desk job for myself. I will not be able to. So there are some desk jobs as well. Somewhat parallel to architecture as well. Engineers, architecture is basically design, and civil engineers also help in that design later on. So it is basically a combination of those. So but field work is mainly preferred for male candidates. That is one important point before you choose any branch or any college, right? So let's start with the top 30 college list. Obviously civil engineering cutoff goes much higher than any other branches. So even with a decent rank, you can still expect colleges like RV. Okay, so let's see. So RV College of Engineering, as I mentioned, if you see the cutoff. So now let's, as I mentioned that RV College is possible with a decent rank. You can see here RV College 10,832. So with a decent ranks as 10,000, 11,000, you can still get into RV if you choose civil engineers, right? And now MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology 30,510. So the gap between top two colleges is huge. Next is BMS College of Engineering. This one is aided, 32,722.5. BMS College of Engineering unaided 43,431. So obviously aided unaided means you can check JJ ma'am's review of the BMS College, where she explained aided and unaided about BMS College. Okay, University of Vishweshwarya College of Engineering, UVC 55,203. Now in this university, it is not recommended that you should study civil engineering, because there are a lot of complaint about this department. I have done the college review of this. You can check that out as well. Now let's move on. SJCE College, 57,460. Adi Chunnagiri Institute of Technology Chikmagalur, 61,072. KLE Technological University, formerly BVBCET, 66,952. The National Institute of Engineering South Campus Mysore, 71,676. This one is again aided course. Okay. BMS Institute of Technology and Management Yelahanka Bangalore, 72,135. SJCE University, 80,484. SKSJT Institute of Engineering Bangalore 89,550, University BDD College of Engineering Davangere 90,375, MS Ramaiah University 92,799, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering Bangalore 94,757, Siddhaganga Institute of Technology Tumkur 96,620, Reva University Bangalore 1,10,318, Bangalore Institute of Technology Bangalore 1,17,401, Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology Bangalore 1,19,580. And as we are always do, I forgot to mention it, this is the fourth round or final round cutoff for every colleges that is being shown over here, right? Generally first round, second round, there may be cutoff slightly lower, but if you wait for third round, definitely fourth round is for the students who did not get a seat in first three rounds. So up to third round is very important. So at the end of the third round, you should get one of these colleges if your rank falls within this range. National Institute of Engineering, this is unaided, this one is unaided, same college. If you see aided and unaided, okay, the difference in rank is huge. Same college, same course, okay, one is around 50-60,000, another one is 1,19,874, same college, right? Vidya Vardhaka College of Engineering Mysore 1,23,156, SDM Institute of Technology Ujire Dakshin Kannada 1,38,284, Sri Dharmasthala Manjunateshwara College of Engineering Dharwad 1,39,621, Sir M. Vishweshwara Institute of Technology Bangalore 1,47,725, Vishweshwara Engineering College Bagalkot 1,52,936. Next, last five colleges: Mysuru Royal Institute of Technology Mandya 1,71,598, right? So this is so we are not yet into top 30. His list is over, but still we have already crossed 1,70,000 mark. Mysore College of Engineering and Management 1,89,725. Srinivas University Mukka Suratkal Bangalore 1,97,320. Basavana Kalyana Engineering College of Basavana Kalyana Vidar District 1,98,478, and the last college, the Chanakya University Haralur Road Davanahalli 2,01,068. I think the name of this course is slightly different. You do check that out. There may be some other specialty involved, so that's why there is a star mark here, right? Now, as I mentioned, we do need civil engineers in our everyday life, and you can say that the OG of engineering, the first few branches which based on which the engineering department was started was civil engineering and mechanical engineering, right? So this is one of the OG of engineering course, and it is still valid. Yes, the demand that required when the India was growing rapidly, the vast development required a lot of civil engineers. Right now that requirement is not that high, but still we do need civil engineers, okay? And a demand and supply gap is there slowly because most students are going after computer science. They love the piece work from an AC room, etc. That is not there in civil engineer. Obviously you have to go into the field, check the construction of bridges, etc., etc. So a lot of work is there, the heavy work is there, but there are requirement of civil engineers. So if you are someone who is hard working and willing to take some difficult task of nation building, definitely you should choose civil engineering, right? One very important point to remember that you are choosing your course based on your own personal capabilities. Do not chase a course that is being forced upon you by some of your parents, okay? And colleges do matter, obviously some colleges do matter, so do check the colleges as well, college reviews, department branch reviews. For example, many colleges are good in computer science and engineering related branches, but they are not so good in mechanical and civil engineering related branches as well. So do check that out, and do let me know in the comments below, are you choosing civil engineering or any other branches? And if you need anything else from us, we will try to bring you more videos about counseling strategies and more college reviews in future. And till then, bye.